many clips of us walking down the staircase are there? Probably quite a few.
But I assume this is probably the beginning of a new vlog.
Yeah.
As we're leaving Bogota today.
Yeah, and we're heading to Medellin. It's pretty early in the morning. And
5 a.m.
We're headed to pick up a bus at the main street to head to the airport. It's a little sketchy being out this time of day, but I think we should be fine. So, come with us. This is the hippie park. Hello, Bogota. Goodbye, Bogota. Okay, so we've walked down to a place where we know this bus that we need to take to the airport stops.
Yep.
Because I don't really trust the app to tell you which stop to go to anymore, so yeah, we got off here before and went to this grocery store. So we know it's going to come here sometime around 5:30. Should go straight to the airport. Okay, we're at the airport. Going through the security took no time at all, but that bus ride was a certain sort of hell.
Yeah, I get the impression that generally domestic flights are much easier to...
Yeah, because you don't have to show your passport or anything. Like, we haven't shown a passport once. Yeah. Now we're going to try to find some coffee, maybe some breakfast, and yeah, our flight boards in about an hour.
Yeah.
So, see ya.
Ooh, it's breakfast time.
Tasty breakfast.
You have to tell me what you think.
So cilantro-y and tomato-y.
That's what you want. Looks delicious. Coffees as well.
Do you think I put these guys in there?
What's that?
I think I put those guys in here.
Couldn't hurt. How is it?
Oh, it's so cheesy.
Okay, I'm gonna dive in myself. You.
So our boarding gate changed, so we've changed our spot slightly, and what are we doing now?
We're bonding.
Yep. Flight should be boarding any minute now, so yeah. Should be a short flight too. Now back to Casino Royale. Here we go! You excited?
Yeah. Are we both in seat 9?
We're both in seat 9, and we got off at gate 9. These are all good signs. And it's almost our 9-year anniversary on the 9th, you know? Everything's coming up 9 house. Welcome to Medellin. So the flight was supposed to take off at 8:45 and land at 9:45. We've been walking for a little bit. What time is it there on your watch?
9:45.
I was gonna show them.
47.
Yeah, so we landed exactly on time, but the flight time, as you were saying, was how long?
Less than a half hour.
Yeah, maybe 20 minutes. Crazy. So outside the arrivals, you kind of turn right, and we found a bus that says San Diego on it. Hopefully it's on the right spot. It says it's 15,500 each. Hopefully. Yes. Good, everything's good, everything's fine. It's not good. Yeah. From the airport to San Diego, and it was pretty quick.
Yeah.
And now it's like a 6-minute walk to the Excepcionales station. I'm probably saying that totally wrong, and we're going to try to get a pass with a couple of trips on it to get us to our accommodation. But we're running really early, so I mean, yeah. So far so good. We are at the Exposiciones station. We're gonna go try to buy a pass now. Wish us luck. Smells like weed. Okay, so we only bought a ticket with 2 trips on it, which means that it's gonna be pretty much done. after the next trip. That's okay. We'll figure it out more later, right? I think here comes our train. Ready?
Yeah.
First impressions of Medellin, much warmer, which is what we want, so that's good. I think the information about the card has changed a little bit, so we will update you as we figure out what the hell is going on, because, you know, we're bumbly, and it'll take us a while to figure it out. We are at Spanish Area Station. That's all I'll remember it. Otherwise, I'll never remember it. And now we've got about an hour walk, I think. I think maybe we shouldn't bother trying to top up our things right now. We'll just do it when we come back.
Sure. So we got off at the station that Google Maps said would be best to walk from, and the directions it gave us are to go back to the previous station, but walk along a highway without any sidewalk. There's lovely sidewalk right here. I didn't have the nerve to film while we were traversing over like a narrow, like beaten down
Hiding
pathway.
under an underpass, about trying to cross a road where cars wouldn't stop getting on the highway.
It's kind of like that scene from The Fugitive where they're at the end of the tunnel. We had to traverse through that to get back over here until walking.
Don't scare our parents.
Oh, okay. They won't see this until we're presumably alive and editing and stuff. Anyway, here we go.
I need a beer.
It'd be nice though if we saw it looming in the horizon, our location. Time will tell.
Faster than we're walking.
This walk is all uphill.
This ain't no walk in the park.
Nothing to it.
Yeah.
We've been walking for about a half hour for our hour walk to our accommodations, and it's all been uphill.
Yeah.
So we've decided to take a little sit.
This right here is for anyone out there that has ever wanted to maybe travel with us.
Yeah, we can barely hack it.
Probably don't want to.
Even us, even we can barely hack it. I sound so self-important.
No, nobody'd be stupid enough to do this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Update. It's still uphill. It's still far.
This part actually, I was thinking this looks pretty level compared to some of the other stuff we've climbed so far.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Did you see that on the camera? I don't know.
I don't know.
I think
We're probably just like old whinging people, but
no.
Good lord.
It's very steep.
I'm so winded.
Yeah. Welcome.
Oh yeah. We got the National Geographics. Nice. Some water and tasty treats. Brilliant balcony.
Mushrooms.
Mushroom. System of colors.
We need to call home.
Yeah. I love that it's a rotary phone.
I wonder if anyone there knows what a rotary phone is. I'm kidding, they all do. Do you want to order a pizza with rotary on half and
Yeah, I'd like to order one large phone with extra phones, please.
Cell phone. No. Rotary and payphone on half.
Chairs.
chairs on the
Yeah.
other? Yeah.
Make empathy great again. Good idea, Wall.
Wow, it's a full closet.
Cool. You can put stuff in it.
Wow.
All right. Nice.
Excellent. I love the little mushrooms. And the system of colors. And the pillows. Some nice detail there. And yeah, obviously the rotary phone. I can imagine imagine this being a great spot to hang out. Gonna have some beverages here. We walked from the valley down there all the way up this hill. Basically straight up the entire way at like a 45-degree angle at least. It's crazy. Hey camera.
What up, guys?
So we have,
red.
oh, it's a very red squirrel. A red guy. We sat in our room for a little bit because we were sweaty little messes from climbing up a 50-degree incline, which we're now climbing down.
I immediately showered and washed a bunch of our stinky, sweaty clothes.
Yeah.
And then did that yin gao thing where I twisted it like knots, dread knots.
Now we're going to the grocery store, which is down the very, very steep incline. Says it's only like 13-minute walk. I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna get some foods and beverages and kind of figure out what we're gonna do for the rest of our day.
Yeah,
So
it looks like it might be raining for the rest of like
Yeah.
okay.
Looks like it might be raining for the rest of the day, so
Got this umbrella for our trek down and up.
yeah. But that's okay.
It is a lot easier down, although it is that strange, like
Yeah.
you're supporting your weight from toppling head over heel with each step.
I don't think the camera will ever show just how steep this is, but
It's
holy crow.
crazy steep.
It's like, yeah,
You actively have to stop yourself from rolling down like Sonic the Hedgehog.
yeah. At least Sonic could like charge up and blast his way up this hill.
Imagine how many rings you could collect.
I don't see any. The only thing keeping me alive is the fact that there is an entire case of beer in my backpack, 6-pack, and I get one of them when I get to the top.
Yeah.
And makings to make nice wraps. It's worth it, right?
Yep.
Whew.
And at this moment, I'm carrying nothing, but I'm probably sweating more than her because I'm a gross man. We're super lucky that we didn't get caught in this walking. It started to rain just as soon as we headed to the grocery store, but like just a tiny bit. Used my umbrella for like 3 seconds and then it was fine. What's that you got there?
I brought you a bouquet of flowers. I
Mm.
think you'd probably like this more than real flowers, right?
Romance. Well, I can't eat flowers. Well, I guess I can. If I put my mind to it.
Or broccoli.
You can eat anything if you put your mind to it. Beer time, beer time, beer time. New brand we haven't tried.
Yeah.
What do you think?
That's exactly what I need after climbing a mountain twice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was trying just now to think of something along the lines of Colombia-tastic, but I couldn't think of like a, oh, Colombia amazing. There it is. No, that's pretty weak. I regret saying
We'll
words.
workshop it and we'll get back to you.
Yeah, just spitballing. No. Cut.
We're gonna go check out the pool.
Yeah.
Because I'm tired.
come camera.
No. Well, maybe. We'll see. I'm not sure you can see a whole lot in an infrared sauna. But, we went for a couple of swims. A little bit pruny. I want to show you guys the pool, but there's a couple of ladies in there and I don't want to make them feel uncomfortable. So, come to steam ourselves up in the sauna. And maybe we'll go back to the pool. Looks like there's some jets maybe you can turn on, but again, we don't want to mess with the ladies, so. How you feeling, son?
That's nice.
This is the cool last pool, and this is a chair. And maybe you're gonna break it?
Does it work?
I don't know. I don't know if it does. Maybe we're wrong. You might be wrong.
Mine doesn't turn.
Yeah, we might be wrong. Mine turned, it didn't do anything. That's okay.
Is it this button?
Oh well. Are you done with swimming? Here, I'm gonna dance. Dance. Okay, I guess I'm done. Just had a lovely swim in sauna for the last couple of hours, and now there's a beautiful sunset. Wow. Gorgeous. First day in Medellin? Yep. Definitely like it better than Bogota. But tomorrow will be the true test. Gorgeous. And I don't think I showed you the view this way. Maybe drive still though. That's not where the sun action's at.